dominoes. What and what?
Rat and dog.
Rat and duck. So, Muhammad, bring a card with picture of rat to put it here. Rat. Look here. I need picture of rat. Picture of rat. Yeah. Wait. Any card with picture of rat. Yeah. No rats? All these cards? No rats? Muhammad? And these old cards, no rats? Are you sure? Thanks a lot. Who can do it?
Me.
Bring a card with red. Put it in the right side, please. Alright. Like that, we collect red with red. Red with another red. And now, 8 dominoes. We have duck and
Cow.
cow. Good. So, who can bring a card with duck? You can do it, Marwan. Come here and take card with duck and put it in the right side. Please. Put it in the right side. Good job. Perfect. Now we have 2 cows. 2.
Cow.
So we need any card with cow picture. Who can do it? You can do it, Josh. Bring card with cow picture and put it. Come. Ganna, focus and be quiet. Good. And now we have what and what? Sheep and cow. So, come again. Come here. Yeah. Stand up. Stand. Put it here. Choose any card with cow picture and put it here. Look and search about picture of cow. Cow. Good. Put it in the right side. And also this is right. Put it here. Yeah, put it. Clap to Ganna, please. Good. And now you can go back to your chair and sit down. Look, go back. Go back to your chair and sit down. Good. And now Omar, stand up. This is which animal? Firstly, answer me. This is a picture of which animal? Sheep. Sit down and don't touch cards. Sheep. Bring card with sheep. Picture and put it in the right side. Like that, we collect 2 sheep with each other. And now sit down, please. Muhammad, come. On this side, we have picture of which animal? This is which animal? This is which animal? Cow. And this is which animal? This. Dog. Bring a picture of cow or dog and put it in its side. Cow or dog, but put it in its side. This is dog. Perfect. And also look, cow. So we can put it in this side is cow with cow, or in the other side is dog with dog, right? Clap to Muhammad, please. And now, who else? Marwan, come. Muhammad, do the game now is cow and cow. In two sides we have cow. So search about any card with cow picture and put it in any side. Good. We can put it here or here. Alright. You can go back to your chair. Thanks a lot. Don't put your dress in your mouth. This is wrong. And now Muhammad. In this side, we have a picture of which animal? Cow, perfect. And the other side, we have a picture of which animal? Rabbit, perfect. Choose any one of them and put a picture of it with its side. You will choose picture of rabbit or picture of cow? Rabbit or cow? Rabbit, alright. Bring card with rabbit picture and put it. Now we have this card. Choose one with a rabbit picture. Be quiet and focus here. Choose any card with rabbit. This card has a rabbit. There is rabbit here. In this card there is rabbit. There is rabbit here. There is a rabbit like that. In this card. Are you sure? Go back and try again. Who can do it? I need card with rabbit picture.
Me.
Alright, Tanku. Good. And now the game changed to what and what?
Dog and cow.
Duck and cow. So, Marwan. Come. Choose card with duck or cow and put it in its side. Alright. Perfect. Go back. Ganna. Come. Faster. Sit down, please. Leave cards, please. We have sheep and cow. So, you will choose which card. Focus and choose card with sheep or cow. Good. We will put it here or here. We need to put it here like that or here like that. Take it and put it by yourself. Take this card and put it in the right side by yourself.